Max, we're on an extreme rare event here. This is a snowfall that potentially could be one for the records. It's also a snow that is falling with temperatures that are brutally cold. That doesn't happen. You know, often you'll hear folks, oh, it's too cold to snow. No, it never is. It can be terribly dry, and often when it is really cold, the air is really dry. But our dew point right now is below zero. So if you can get the moisture, and we did that and brought it up and over this Arctic air mass, we're getting the snowfall. This is just an incredible setup. You have this pipeline or conveyor belt of moisture that's coming off the Pacific Ocean, and it's traveling almost 1,000 miles from one end to the other of snowfall. And we just got into the fringe of that late this afternoon, and we will continue to stay in it for perhaps 36 straight hours. It's snowing at Daniels Vineyard, 9 degrees. There are cars out and about. It is slick. You know, one of the things we have to watch for is that when this snow falls and perhaps the tread of the tires are going over it, it will melt. But because the air temperatures are so cold, that little bit of moisture then begins to freeze up. So there could be some real icy spots developing, though the roadway may look clear or at least wet. 9 degrees and snowing here in Westfield. It is snowing pretty much area-wide. Speaking of our cameras, this is up, looks like up I-65 near Lebanon. So we're still getting about, but boy, as the night progresses, the snow is going to accumulate. And there should be 2 surges of snow, steadiest and heavier later tonight, and again perhaps throughout the mid-morning to early afternoon before it starts to wean down and starts to taper off tomorrow evening. 10-degree temperature with a wind chill of 3 below. We're looking at an extended spell of snow, again maybe 36 straight hours. A couple of bursts of heavier snow. It will taper off tomorrow night, but the problem is the winds will start to tighten up as all the energy moves off to the east, and that means blowing and drifting snow will be a problem throughout the morning hours on Monday. So you've got these brighter bands of blue that are showing up. I said earlier in the week, perhaps back on Tuesday and Wednesday, that we were likely going to see almost all of central Indiana get a half a foot of snow. And then throughout the course of the week, we've been watching where maybe the heaviest of the snow bands would arrive. And they've been slowly and generally creeping further north, at least through Thursday. And that's when we said, look, we've got areas like Indianapolis that could wind up with double-digit snowfall totals. And I think we're on track for that easily. It's 10 degrees, it's snowing, the wind is out of the east, the wind chill is brutal. Oh, by the way, to add insult to injury, we continue with a cold weather advisory for dangerous wind chill levels well into Tuesday. But look at the weather map tonight. This big Canadian high pressure, this Arctic high pressure, as a matter of fact, we plotted where the air parcels are coming from, and they're coming right off of the Arctic Ocean. So we've got this brutally cold air, and you've got a stream of moisture off the Pacific and eventually gathering some moisture off the Gulf, and you're running it up and over this Arctic air. So you've got the brutally cold temperatures, and you've got this huge area of snow. In fact, there is our track of the air parcels that have come right off of the Arctic Ocean. Just incredible. And there is where they originated about 10 days ago. And we're in this cold weather. In fact, this barbarically cold weather across the nation isn't going to let up. We may not even go back above freezing for at least another 10 days. So there's the air. Cold, damming all the way down into Oklahoma City. You're just seeing it kind of just wedge all the way down into Texas, and that colder air is getting all of these areas to our south and east under that incredible amount of precipitation that includes freezing rain, sleet, and snow. This is the snow projected by 7 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, and that's all of the snow that will be moving through tomorrow. So we have at least 24 states under some form of winter storm watch or warning or advisory. The heaviest snow band is coming right into central Indiana. We expect a very large area of 8 to 12 inches of snow to occur. The snow is coming down steady and heavy to start the day on Sunday, and then as we get later into the afternoon, it will begin to wean down and likely start to come to an end here as we move through Sunday evening and Sunday night. So we expect the snow to be pretty steady for the rest of the night. It will be at about 100% coverage from 7 a.m. through about 3, 4 in the afternoon, and then a steep cutoff will be coming as the system departs. Snowfall numbers, we've been generally looking at close to 9 or 10 inches for Indianapolis. We've tightened up that spread, and a spread of about 10.6 to 13.2 would lead to 11.9 inches of snow. We're talking about a 12-inch snowfall here in Indianapolis, and most areas southeast are in running for that high amount of snow. Double-digit tallies could run all the way from northwest to southeast. 12-inch snows are certainly achievable, lesser amounts to the north and west.
but this would be the largest single snowstorm that we've had here in central Indiana officially since 2009. Getting a foot of snow, and that's really a possibility, it doesn't happen all that often. 10 degrees, temperatures are low. We could see as much as 6 inches of snow down by daybreak tomorrow. Add an additional 6 inches of snow on top of that, and even locally higher, and we've got ourselves a foot of snow on the ground with blowing and drifting snow into Monday and brutally cold low temperatures. Another blast of Arctic air comes Wednesday, and we may have nighttime temperatures pushing as much as 10 degrees below zero.